lecture, I'm going to discuss about interface in Java programming language. So this point already written because I want to complete this topic within 10 minutes. So first here, an interface is fully abstract class. The abstract class, that means you cannot create any object. So here testing, so interface here, the name is client. So going to create the object of the client. So here you can see client C and giving here client. Then you can see there is the problems. Client is abstract, cannot be instantiated. That means you cannot create the object of the client interface. So first thing is there. So we cannot create the interface object. Now next is here, interface is only abstract method. So this is here interface, name is client, to method is there. So this is the abstract method. So we can include this place public abstract. So this we by default this is hidden, but if you want then you can include this one. So interface support multiple inheritance. So this is the best thing about the interface, that it supports the multiple inheritance. So what happened here, I'm using a simple abstract class or test1, and here this is test1 and this place test2. But then I'm going to use class SAM, trying to extend test1 and test2 inside the SAM. So there is the problem, we cannot do that. But with interface we can do. So here interface daddy created, interface mommy created, and here with the help of implements keyword, daddy and mommy property that go to son. Now son can use land1 and land2. So this is the important point about the interface. Interface here support multiple inheritance. Interface support only public. So this is here, by default public is hidden. Now I'm going to try with private. So there is the problem, we cannot do that. Let's use here protected. So here you can see modifier protected not allowed. So with the interface method you can only use the public. So public, that's hidden, you can include or not. So next is public abstract included in the interface. So here I already discussed one time. So here this is the hidden part on the abstract method. So on abstract method, public and abstract, that's hidden. If you want then you can give or leave it. So thereafter field or by default declare public static final. So you can write here or field int equal to 30, or this is now hidden. Public static final is the hidden inside this field. And you cannot use here variable on the interface. So interface A I am tried, but there is a problem, constant name does not allow naming convention. Okay, so you cannot use here variable displays, you should only give the constant. That means so A equal to 21, that's fixed, so that here public static final is the hidden displaces. Now thereafter default method can be created. Now there is the after JDK 8 version or some parts that's included inside the abstract. So default method you can use. So here default method you can, default access specifier you can use. So you cannot use here public. Public has restriction, private has restriction, and here you can see private. Okay, private does not have any restriction. I think protected also not have any restriction. So protected has the restriction. That means here this place you should use here default, or here default you can use with the method. After that you can write the body part, and private also you can use. So private I have given, there's the only warning never used, but you can write the body part. And a static also you can use. A static method can be created only with the public. So static here keyword you can use with this method. So this feature that added after here JDK 8 version. Before it was not there, but it's added after the JTK 8 version. So here default static private you can use with the method. Okay, and if you want to simply create the method displays void sum, so there is the problems or interface has no. So if I take the cursor, interface abstract method cannot have body part, but with or default private or static and private you can use that. So if I include here public, same problem that occur. Okay, so abstract method does not have the body part. This is the message, it's a display. And variable you cannot use, constant you can use. Now thereafter I'm going to explain this code. So if you run this code here, then control comes to main method, client C object is there created with the help of new gener class, and see that call input and C called output. So here C input, control comes to this point, there is the definition of the abstract method, that's so abstract interface, or here method client, that's or definition written there, input there written, and output written the below. So if you run this code, then control comes to here the input method that's called here, this all do the process, and thereafter when that done, here the output, the whatever the coding is there according to this return the output. So if I run here, so now giving here the name is Sam, and let's give here salary, then here input I enter this, and here this is the displaying the output. Okay, so this is about the abstract, and now there is the important thing about here abstract, or with the abstract with the interface we can here use multiple inheritance properties. So here you can see there is two interfaces now, daddy and mommy, and class is now surname implements daddy and mommy. That means daddy mommy property that go after that, you can use that. So this is about the interface in Java programming. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.